Hello everyone, welcome back. In this lecture I am going to discuss about comparator. What is comparator? Comparator is a circuit that compares input voltage with reference voltage and gives two set of voltage, plus V saturation and minus V saturation. It is made by op amp, and we know that op amp has two input terminals. So in comparator, one input terminal is connected by input voltage and other input terminal is connected by reference voltage. Comparator gives rectangular waveform for the input of sinusoidal, triangular, etc. So comparator sometimes can be used as rectangular wave generator. It has two types: inverting comparator and non-inverting comparator. If input is connected with non-inverting terminal, then it is called non-inverting comparator. If input is connected with inverting terminal, then it will called as inverting terminal. Here output voltage, this output voltage will be either plus VCC or minus VCC. It is also called plus V saturation or minus V saturation. If input voltage greater than reference voltage, here it is reference voltage. If input voltage is greater than reference voltage, then output voltage will be plus V saturation, and if input voltage will be less than reference voltage, then output will be minus V saturation. So it has two output, plus V saturation and minus V saturation. Let us see with some examples. Let this is input signal, it is of sinusoidal form, and this one is reference voltage. So here if input voltage is greater than reference voltage, that is this one is input voltage, and if that input voltage is greater than this reference voltage, then output voltage will be plus V saturation, plus VCC. And if input voltage is less than this one is lesser part and this one is greater part, if input voltage is less than reference voltage, then output voltage will be, this one is the output voltage, minus V saturation. So again in this form, input voltage is greater than this reference voltage, so output voltage will be plus V saturation. So here we can see that comparator converts sinusoidal input waveform into rectangular waveform. So it is also called rectangular wave generator. Again the same result will happen when this input waveform is triangular waveform or other time varying waveform, then again output voltage will be this rectangular waveform.